everyone, welcome to Indian Curries and Pickles. Today I'm going to cook something from my roots. I'm married to a Dogra and born in a Himachali family. Both the states have overlapping cuisines. Madra is the hallmark dish of both the states. It is a lentil-based dish cooked in the gravy of curd. It is sumptuous, it's light, it's healthy. Dogra cuisine or Himachali cuisine is not very elaborate or extravagant in nature. So Madra is one such dish which is cooked with lentils and curds. It's mild and it's light on stomach. We usually spice it with some fennel powder and some nuts. So let's try Madra. It would be a new delicacy for you and not just a dal. So friends, to make Madra, all we need is your choice of lentil. Basically, you can make a nice lentil out of green moong dal or black urad dal, whole black urad dal. But I have chosen like green moong dal. I'm going to put this in pressure cooker. Now add water like any normal dal. So these are very few spices which I'm going to add to my Madra. These are bay leaves. These are chakraful or star anise. This is green cardamom. This is whole black cardamom. This is fennel powder, curds, but this we'll use later. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all these spices into my Madra and some salt. And this is a tip, add little bit of mustard oil while we are boiling our dal. So around 1 teaspoon I've added. So now we will pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the gravy for Madra. So add a little bit of mustard oil. So while we are cooking our dal, we'll make the gravy. Put curd in a bowl. Add fennel powder. And this is ginger paste. You can also add dry ginger powder, which is called sund. But I like the flavor of fresh ginger, so I'm adding fresh ginger. Very little salt. And red chilies. Now we have mixed it well. The oil is hot. Now we'll add some hing into this. And after that, this curd based mixture. Now please keep whisking, otherwise your curd will split. We will cook it till the time it leaves oil on the sides. See, now our curd based gravy is almost ready. You can see the oil in the corners. So after 2-3 whistles, we'll take out the dal from the pressure cooker and it'll look something like this. See, I haven't put any turmeric in this, so the color of the dal would come out like this, not the yellow usual color. Now I'm going to add this in the curd based gravy. If you find it thick, you can add more water. Let it cook for a while. So now I'm going to make special tempering for the garnishing. Just see, we'll put some desi ghee. Again, I'll say please add a little bit of desi ghee in your diet. It is really healthy. But yes, of course, if you can make it at home, nothing like that. For special tempering, I've added some green cardamoms, red Kashmiri masala, but if you don't have Kashmiri masala, you can simply add red chilies, ground or whole, and some saffron, and let's keep it. We will put on the top of the madra for garnishing. And look at this side, our madra is nice, thick and creamy. Little bit of this thing I'll add in this. Madra is generally garnished with chopped almonds. See, it looks so beautiful. It looks like abstract art. Now our madra is almost ready. I'm going to put it in a nice bowl. We'll serve it with rice. And it's very healthy meal in this scorching heat with goodness of pulses, curd, mild spices. Add a little bit of tempering on the top. Sprinkle some almonds. These are soaked and chopped almonds. So friends, my Dogri meal is ready. Sumptuous moong dal madra. I'm going to serve it with rice and oriya. Now you will ask, what is oriya? Oriya is a kind of pickle or chutney made out of curd. It's a special Dogri recipe. Maybe I'll share with you all in future. For the time being, enjoy this lovely meal with your family and friends.